Welcome to another model car unboxing video. This time we have a Renault 8 from 1964. Now this is a 1 in 43rd scale model. It is not branded, so we don't know who actually made this model. It has its very own display case with a stand and an acrylic box. Now I am cheating here a bit because I already removed the screw that was holding it to its stand, simply because it had a very weird triangular head screw that I had difficulty removing. So once I removed it, I didn't put it back. As you can see on the underside of the car, it says Renault 8 1/43 scale, but it has no manufacturer information. Which is a shame because it is a really well made and detailed model. But I guess they would have to pay license fees to Renault if some company would advertise it as their own. So they simply just make it like that. On the box it says RBA Collectionables Spain. But of course I'm guessing this is the company that actually sold it at some point. It's not the manufacturer. It has all the correct details. It even has one chromed rear view mirror on the driver's side. And the interior has the correct details. So the seats, the dashboard, the steering wheel, it's all very much just like on the real thing. Yeah, it does say Renault on it, on the rear bonnet. There you go. Now I said rear bonnet because these cars are rear engined. They actually had an 1100cc 4-cylinder right in the back. And it's liquid cooled, it's not air cooled or anything. And the boot is in the front, right here. On the rear car, the boot opens upwards there towards the front, so you just... Underneath you can actually see some details like the oil sump and something that resembles a gearbox right there. And in the front you have the spare tire. And the front wheels do roll freely, but the ones in the back do not. And that's because the top of the tire goes underneath the rear wing, and it's rubbing quite heavily. So the model will not roll. As you can see, it just drags the rear tires. The old style Renault emblem here in the front. So all in all, a very well made and detailed model. It's a shame we don't know who the manufacturer actually was. Now Renault 8s were also licensed built in Romania as the Dacia 1100, and that was the first car that Dacia produced. And that's how it fits into this little lineup. Now this collection has a story behind it, but that will be a story for another time. Thanks for watching.